Alright, hold up. So, I have just made a bouncy castle. Yeah, you heard me. You heard me. A bouncy castle. So, hold on. Here's the bouncy castle. It's covered in, like, red concrete blocks. So, look, this is why. Watch. So people can't just get a bat and just... I think I just destroyed something. Hold on. Get that wrong. So, yeah. You heard nothing. So, if the door's open, that means we're not playing hide and seek or pin tag. And yeah, you can play. You can play in the bouncy house. But no! Oh, place that by accident. Oh, stupid. Look, everything's gone now. Rebuilt this whole thing. This whole part. Stupid. Hold on. I just lost my dog. Anybody know how to chase him back? Okay, hold on. Just place that right there. Dude, why this all over here? It needs to be right there. This one, no, it needs to be lined up with this. Right there. Yeah. That. Oh, wrong again. Okay. Don't be pressed up with that stuff. This. But this. Against it. Nope. Okay, hold on. There's some technical difficulties happening right now. Dude. Okay. Clamming. Bro! Clip drunk clam Maddie. Okay, hold on. Alright. These bouncy things are gay. Bro. Oh, I don't want them to be like this. I want them to look like this, not this. Of course, I picked up the wrong one, and I put it back in my flipping bag. Okay. No, wrong way. Yes. Okay. I'm just gotta flip this thing over. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now I need to paint it red. Bop. Beep. Bop. Bing. Beep. Bing. Boop. Slab. Wada dang. Slabada bang. Okay. So. Back to castle. If the door is open like this, hold on. Door's open like this, that means you can go into the bouncy castle. Door's closed like this. Door's closed like this. Okay. Let's see if you can see it. Okay. Doors closed like the doors closed like this. Then you can't go in because we're playing like hide and seek or pin tag. But if the door is open like this, then you can go in and do this. And go in and do this. Wee, wee. Goodbye. Wait, hold on. Loofadoodle. Okay. Pretend you're a kid inside the bouncy house. Okay. Alright, guys, closing time. Oh, so you don't want to come out, huh? Don't want to come out? No! What then? You sure you don't want to come out? Yes. Alright then. I'm gonna go left there now. Whooping! Okay. But yeah, that's the bouncy castle. Bouncy house. But yeah. So, boing. The little parts, like right here, where you can sit if you're out. If you're like playing frisbee and like you're on a team and somebody doesn't catch it, then you're out and you sit in one of these little lines. I just lost my dog. Anybody know how to chase him back? But yeah. So the only way to get out, doors closed, is you have to come up here. Squeeze right at the top. But I am gonna make something magnificent. I'm gonna make a little stand that you have to pay at before you go in. Hold on. I just my dog. Anybody know how to chase me back? Okay, hold on. Hee hee. Turn to fight. Go pow pow pow. Alright. So. Okay. I just lost my dog. Anybody know? Chase him back. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna have another piece right up here. Anybody know how to chase him back? Okay. Alright. Then I'm gonna do this here. This is gonna be like the wall. Alright. Oh yeah, don't mind the messages in the video. It's just I had to screen record it because that's like pretty much the only way you can film the video. It's like, yeah. So like, if you see like a charging sign or anything, like a charging sign, or yeah, like a charging sign, or a message, a little message sign up the top. It's just because I'm screen recording and I get a lot of messages a lot, so don't be annoying about it. Alright, hold on. Okay. But I placed it wrong. Okay, now I need like the little bars. Little bars. Door, be right here. You can't go anywhere. So, I'm gonna be up here. Here. Pretend you're like a customer. Give me a second. Pretend that you're a customer. And you want to go into the bouncy castle. So I'm gonna be right here. You're gonna pay me. I'm gonna go back here and get you a ticket. Ticket? I don't know what the ticket's gonna look like though. I don't know what the ticket's gonna be. You still there? Nope, you're not there. You're right here. You're all the way over here. Okay, go back. And then you're gonna pay me with whatever. I'm gonna go over here. You know what? No. I don't keep taking out the stupid camera. Okay. And then make your choice quick or else people aren't gonna watch this video. Ooh, I don't know. Alright. So the ticket is going to be either it's going to be either this or this. This is a short time. You only get 1 hour in there. This is a long time, where you get 4 hours. No, this one you get 2 hours inside the bouncy castle. This one, you get 4 hours in the bouncy castle. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, yeah. Ooh. Kodonk. Catch me. No. Stop! I don't like this game anymore. I just lost my dog. Anybody know what a J? What are you doing in here? Get out of here. You're not supposed to be in here. You're a customer, not a worker. Okay. You're gonna be sitting right there for now while I build a little desk with stuff to be on. Be that tall. Tickets are gonna be right here. All of them. Every single one of the tickets are gonna be right here. So it's gonna look like this. A bunch of them everywhere. It's gonna look like this back here. All of these. It's gonna look like this. So there's gonna be a bunch of tickets back here. I'm gonna hit them all with a bat. Hold on. Wait a minute. Go like this, and then hold on. Let me get one of these. Freeze yourself, and then teleport. It cancels out the freeze. Hold on. That's so cool. You can't have any of these. Can't have any of these tickets. They're my tickets. Can't have them. I just spawned in a bat? Watch. Raise myself, then teleport. It cancels it out. Cool. Gotcha. No. Gotcha. Bro. Gotcha. You have seen too much. You know what I must do now. You've seen too much. Anybody know? And this is my dog. Anybody know how to chase him back? Get in there! I said, okay, you can just stay right there. Okay. I just lost my dog. Anybody know how to chase him back? But yeah, so that is on the bouncy castle. So that's the video. I hope you guys like the bouncy castle. Coming? Hope you guys like the bouncy castle. And my little place where you buy the tickets to the bouncy castle. But yeah, so that's it. And also, you can buy frisbees. You could buy bats. You could buy Nerf guns. You could buy you could buy an umbrella, 2 umbrellas. Whatever. You could buy some fireworks. You could buy smoke bomb. Bye. Poof. I'm gone. You can't see me. Hey, you don't know where I am. Just kidding. But yeah, my frisbees, bats, umbrellas. You could buy a Nerf gun, smoke bomb, a cup of hot chocolate or coffee if you're an adult. And then you could buy maybe some arrows. You buy some arrows. No, you can't buy arrows. That's stupid. But yeah, you could buy everything in here except for the bombs. And the 2 tickets, because those are you have to buy them. Not with real money. But yeah, you can buy frisbees, buy Nerf gun, you could buy bat, you could buy umbrella, you could buy firework, you could buy hot cocoa or coffee. But yeah, or smoke bomb. I'm a ninja. You're coming with me now. Coming with me. Get in there. Alright, but yeah, that's it for the video. See you guys in the next video.